In the mechanical industry, a high-quality welding machine is a crucial factor determining productivity and product durability. At our workshop, the MIG200DPRO from Honkai is the top choice thanks to its powerful performance, high durability, and ease of use. The MIG200DPRO delivers up to 200 A of power and supports multiple welding modes: Gasless MIG, CO2 gas MIG, stick MMA, and LIFT TIG. Equipped with a digital display, it allows for precise monitoring and easy adjustment of welding parameters. Thanks to its flexible current control, the MIG200DPRO is compatible with various materials and thicknesses. Not only is it powerful, but it also optimizes energy consumption, making it a cost-effective solution for production. The MIG200DPRO not only delivers strong and aesthetically pleasing welds, but also ensures long-lasting performance with its advanced cooling system. The hot start function enables quick arc ignition, preventing the electrode from sticking to the material and ensuring a clean weld from the start. Meanwhile, arc force maintains a stable arc, reducing electrode sticking issues. MIG welding 0.8 to 1.0 millimeters at 200 amps. Stick MMA welding 2.6 to 3.2 millimeters at 160 amps. LIFT TIG welding 1.6 to 2.4 millimeters at 160 amps. The MIG200DPRO is ideal for welding steel and iron flux cord steel wire, and also supports stainless steel welding, gasless flux cord stainless steel wire, or solid stainless steel wire with mixed gas. Aluminum welding, solid ER4043 aluminum wire with argon gas, a reliable companion for every mechanical workshop. The MIG200DPRO is designed to meet diverse welding needs with efficiency and precision. We have complete confidence in the MIG200DPRO. This machine not only makes welding easier, but also ensures peace of mind during operation. With exceptional quality and optimal productivity, it is the perfect choice for every professional welder. Looking for a reliable, durable, and high-performance welding machine? Choose the MIG200DPRO from Honkai. Don't hesitate. Contact us now for consultation and a hands-on experience. Honkai, the perfect choice for every mechanical workshop.